How can you prevent stale content with CDN caching? Imagine visiting your favorite website and seeing the same outdated news or images every time. That's what stale content is, and it can really frustrate users. So, how do websites keep their content fresh when using content delivery networks? Let's explore some simple yet effective ways to prevent this from happening. First, setting the right time to live values is key. Time to live tells the CDN how long to keep a copy of content before checking for updates. If you set it too long, users might see outdated pages. If it's too short, the CDN will fetch updates more often, which can slow things down. For static files like images or videos, a longer time to live of several days or even weeks works well. But for dynamic content like news feeds or stock prices, shorter times of a few minutes or hours are better. Next, using cache control headers with specific instructions allows more control. For example, the max age directive sets how long content stays fresh. The stale while revalidate directive lets the CDN serve stale content temporarily while it fetches fresh data in the background. This way, users don't notice delays and content stays up to date. The stale if error directive is also helpful. If the origin server is down, the CDN can serve stale content instead of showing an error. Another important step is cache invalidation or purging. When content changes, you can manually or automatically clear the cached version. This forces the CDN to get the latest content from the origin server. For example, if you update a product page, purging that specific page ensures visitors see the newest details. Many CDNs allow you to purge individual files or entire caches quickly. Versioning your content is a smart trick too. Adding a unique number or timestamp to file URL, like changing style CSS to style v to CSS, makes the CDN treat it as a new file. This bypasses the old cached version and loads the latest one. It's especially useful for static assets like JavaScript or CSS files that change often. Monitoring cache hit ratios helps you see how often content is served from cache versus fetched from the origin. If sensitive content is served from cache too long, it might be stale. Adjusting your cache policies based on these metrics keeps your content fresh without sacrificing speed. Finally, coordinating cache management with content updates is essential. When deploying new content, plan cache purges to happen right before or after the update. This prevents users from seeing mixed or outdated versions during the transition. By combining these strategies, you can keep your website content fresh and reliable. Proper cache control not only improves user experience but also reduces server load and bandwidth use. It's all about finding the right balance between speed and freshness, ensuring your visitors always see the latest and greatest.